Magprito ako ng pinakas guys. Tapos siguro i-drag ko itong Christmas tree pababa doon while waiting. Ayan. Ay, yung piece na tunaw. Ayan yung ano, mustasa ata. Ayan. At saka yung garlic, hindi pa sila sisibol. Ayan. It's a little frosty. Ayan. Dami. Ayan. Tapos ito malaki, kaya ko kaya. Kaya. Hindi naman ano. Ay, bastos. Ano naman yung habita. Kasi tuyo na. Ayan. Sige. Doon. Ayan. Ayan, may maliit. Ito yung pinaka-tape. May baka nasunog na yung ating tuyo, pinakas. Ay, ang go. Medyo nasunog na sa gasa. Iprito ko na lahat. Gusto din ito ng mga girls eh. Kaya ito, doon na. Wow, look at the sunrise guys. So, ang pula ng langit. Ayan, meron pa doon. Bakit kaya? Why is it so red, babe?
That's pink.
Over there. Sunrise eh. Ayan.
I like this one on TV.
Mag-8 na ng morning. Ayan. So, today guys, bibigyan na natin hostisya itong mga cheese galing Wisconsin guys.
Mom, please.
Ayan, gagawa akong scallop potato.
Mom, please.
Lagyan natin ito.
Mom,
Sigurado masarap. Ayan.
share.
So, ayan lang guys yung ginawa ko guys. Kinrate ko lang siya. Yung kinayod ko siya. Ayan. Tapos, gagawin natin sauce sa ating scallop potato. Ayan. The what? Oh, the hotel. Yeah. So, ayan na guys yung ating sauce sa ating scallop potato. Ayan, mahilo ko ng dami. Ayan. Ganyan ako mag-scallop potato. Tapos, ililinya natin dito. I-bake.
Yes, ma'am.
So, ayan lang guys. Yung sauce, yung potato. And then,
Okay, I will pass this message on to him and I will let him know. And if anything comes up before then, please, just give us a call, okay?
And you said between 9 and what?
Between 9 a.m. and 12.
Okay, let me fix the 12. Put the 12 in. I'm just blocking, I'm putting it in my,
Tapos sauce.
you know how you put it in your,
Yes.
organizer.
Parang lasagna lang siya guys.
Okay, got it. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah, you're so welcome. You have a great weekend, okay?
You do the same, ma'am. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Ayan, parang lasagna lang siya. And then, again, potatoes. And then, onion. And then, sauce hanggang sa maubos natin yun. Ayan lang guys. So, ayan na guys yung ating scallop potato. Ready to bake na yan. And then, sabayin ko sila ng meatloaf. Ganito lang ako gumawa ng meatloaf. How do you make meatloaf? Ayan.
Like you made it before?
Yeah. The one I made before was turkey and he really liked it. And this time is beef.
You don't put no, like bread in it?
Right here. Breadcrumbs. So, ayan. Beef. Tapos, 1 cup breadcrumbs. Tapos, lagyan ko siya ng buttermilk. Ayan. Tapos, 2 eggs. Tapos, seasonings. Ayan yung seasonings na nilalagay ko. Tapos, lagyan ko siya ng konting barbecue sauce, konting ganto, at saka ketchup, wala akong mustard eh. And then, yung ito. Ayan, yung onion and celery. Sinasangkot siya ko muna siya. Sautein dyan sa longbo. It makes a difference on the taste. Ganyan. So, ayan ang lahat ng ingredients, guys. And then we will just mix. Ah! It's hot. May fiesta ata dito, guys. Ako yung nagpa-fried chicken, ribs, and then, ayan, may fiesta din. Tapos nagpapansit pa ako. At saka,
Meatloaf
magpupuki. May meatloaf, may
and
scalloped
scalloped potatoes.
and maybe pancit if I still can do it. We'll see. Ayan na guys yung ating scalloped potatoes. Oh, nakulo-kulo pa. Ayan, tapos yung meatloaf at saka yung fried chicken. Pinasok ko na yung ating cookies. Oatmeal cookie. And yung ribs pagkatapos pa ng cookie. Ayan. Ayan guys yung scalloped potato. Ayan na ayaw bumigay ni Steve. Look at your stomach! Ayan. Ayaw bumigay ni Steve. Ayan yung dadalhin natin sa ating kaibigan. At ito, meatloaf, ito fried chicken. Ayan yung meatloaf half. And then some of the chicken. And meron pa silang ribs. And then ako ay gumagawa ko ng pancit. And what else are we bringing?
That's it.
Cookie.
And cookies. That's it.
Okay. Ayan yung pancit ko, guys. Lettuce yung nilagay ko kasi tinamad na ako maggayat ng ng repolyo. And guys, they are patching the what are those called?
Patching the road.
Patching the road from the snow and rain.
Yeah.
It's like there's a fire somewhere, honey.
It's fog now.
Wow. Magdawin kami mag-deliver ng pagkain. So I need this. Yeah. Now Daddy just dropped the food down to his friend.
I think I'm gonna put that closer.
Why?
So I'm gonna be on this hill.
Okay. So dito natin i-deliver yung pagkain na niluto natin. Got a huge house, honey. Looks like there's a downstairs too.
It is. Where's this deal?
I like that house. I like that house.
It's a lake.
I like
It's not a lake. It's the bay, right?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, waterfall.
Liberty Bay.
I like that house.
Let's see who lives in Paul's house.
How you gonna see that?
Yeah, we're gonna see if Paul's home. And we're gonna see if my brother Paul. Nope, Paul's not there.
Oh, they got kids too.
Oh, where's Paul? Got the Christmas lights.
She didn't get the Christmas lights.
Oh, they put a fence up.
Oh wow.
Wow, that looks nice.
What are they doing there?
Oh wow.